Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best beard hydrator is probably one of the most sought-after products for black men who want to maintain a healthy, well-groomed beard, and in this video, we will explore what makes a beard hydrator stand out from the rest, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific beard type and needs. We will cover key factors to consider, such as ingredients, application methods, and overall effectiveness, to help you achieve the perfect beard hydration. Number 5. SheaMoisture Beard Care Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This complete beard care kit is a thoughtful and useful present that shows you care. It has everything he needs to keep his beard looking and feeling its best. This kit uses only natural ingredients to nourish and revitalize his beard. It's packed with ultra-nourishing oils like coconut, argan, castor, and jojoba, leaving his beard soft, shiny, and healthy. Discover the power of maracuja oil. It's rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin C, providing maximum moisture and smoothing his hair and skin. It's a game changer for beard care. This kit is safe for all hair types and skin sensitivities. It's also cruelty-free and free of sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, so you can feel good about what you're using. When you buy SheaMoisture, you're supporting more than just a great product, you're supporting communities and creating opportunities around the world. It's a purchase that makes a difference. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a complete beard care routine. It uses all natural ingredients that are gentle on the skin. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to keep your beard healthy and hydrated, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It leaves my beard so soft I find myself not wanting to ruin it with a conditioner. If you try just one of these products, the wash is a must. This wash cleanses the skin under your beard for growth. You don't need a lot of product for use, so it lasts longer and it makes your beard look healthy. Honestly, I love this stuff. It works like a charm. After the first use, it makes your beard look fuller, less patchy, more soft, easier to manage for grooming. Number 4. Scotch Porter Beard Conditioner. It's time to treat your beard. Massage this leave-in conditioner into damp hair for deep hydration and lasting shine. Enjoy a soft, manageable beard all day long. This conditioner isn't just about softness, it's about growth. It's formulated with ingredients to help strengthen and promote healthy facial hair growth. Experience a sophisticated scent. This conditioner blends warm spice and powdery musk for a masculine yet refined fragrance. It's made with high-quality, clean ingredients. It's free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens, and is vegan and cruelty-free. Scotch Porter is committed to providing high-quality products for men who demand the best. It's a brand you can trust. What we like. This leave-in conditioner deeply hydrates and softens your beard without weighing it down. It also promotes healthy beard growth. If you have a dry, coarse beard and want something that's easy to use, this is for you. What people say. I noticed a significant difference on day 1. I bought this to make my facial softer. The scent is also nice. This leave-in beard conditioner gets noticeable results in about a week. It does the rest. It also helps to soften flyaways and strands. It completely detangles my beard to the point I can actually get a comb through it. It makes the hair much softer and it smells good without being overpowering. Number 3. Scotch Porter Beard Balm. It conditions your beard instantly, boosts moisture, and leaves it feeling soft and smooth. It's a game changer for your beard and the skin underneath. This balm helps promote healthy beard growth. It's infused with ingredients to strengthen your beard and reduce irritation. Experience a sophisticated scent with a blend of warm spice and powdery musk. It's masculine yet refined. It's carefully formulated with high-quality ingredients, free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Scotch Porter is committed to providing premium grooming products for men who demand excellence. It's the gold standard of clean grooming. Enjoy a softer, smoother beard with long-lasting shine. It's the perfect way to start your journey to a fuller, healthier-looking beard. What we like. This beard balm instantly softens and conditions your beard, while also encouraging healthy growth. It's great for shaping and styling your beard. If you want a product that helps you style and maintain your beard, this is the one for you. What people say. This stuff makes little work of getting it soft and manageable. After a month of use, my hair is so soft and looks so much healthier, and I don't itch anymore. It keeps my beard soft, nicely groomed, and reduces flyaways. After using it, my beard looks and feels much better, staying neat and manageable throughout the day. Number 2. Beard Club Biotin Beard Cream. It starts with hydration. This cream deeply moisturizes and nourishes your beard, making it healthier and stronger. Does your beard itch? This cream is formulated with soothing ingredients like aloe vera to relieve itchiness and leave your skin feeling comfortable. It conditions your beard, taming unruly hairs and reducing split ends for a fuller, healthier look. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. It protects your beard and skin from harsh weather, reducing dryness and irritation. Suitable for all skin types. It promotes healthy beard growth with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. It strengthens your hair from the inside out, reducing breakage. What we like. This beard cream deeply moisturizes and nourishes your beard and skin, reducing itch and irritation. It's non-greasy and absorbs quickly. If you have sensitive skin or an itchy beard, this is a great option for you. What people say. Smells great. I like the feel, not too greasy and not too waxy. Leaves my beard and face well moisturized. I love how it smells and feels good once I use it. Makes my beard feel smooth and not dried up. Nice product. The scent is very light, and the shine isn't crazy greasy looking. Easy to use, the thickness of the cream isn't too stiff. Number 1. Scotch Porter Beard Wash. This beard wash gently cleanses and hydrates your beard, leaving it feeling soft and healthy. It's formulated to remove dirt and product buildup without drying out your skin. Massage a small amount into your wet beard 2 to 3 times a week. It effectively cleanses without stripping away essential oils, leaving your face feeling refreshed. It's infused with burdock root, nettle leaf, and aloe vera to promote healthy beard growth, strength, and shine. These ingredients help to nourish and condition your facial hair. Experience a sophisticated blend of carnation, sandalwood, powdery musk, and spicy undertones. It's a masculine yet refined fragrance that you'll love. It's made with high-quality, clean ingredients, free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. Scotch Porter is committed to providing high-performance, clean products for men who demand the best. It's a brand built on quality and integrity. What we like. This beard wash gently cleanses your beard without drying it out. It also promotes healthy beard growth and leaves your beard feeling soft and hydrated. If you want a gentle yet effective way to clean your beard, this is a great option for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for anyone looking to cleanse, hydrate, and soften coarse, dry beard hair while ensuring the skin beneath remains healthy and protected. The wash is nicely concentrated and works up a nice lather. The conditioner is amazing. It truly has tamed my beard, helping keep it neat and manageable. After 6 weeks of using it, the results are amazing. No more flakes and my beard is extremely soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.